Hi there, Norm Emblem of Dentons Canada Limited. This is the 14th annual conference that the Canadian Institute is putting together on class actions litigation across the country. And it's evolved from a two-day conference which was largely focused on the certification aspect of class actions when it started back in, I guess, the early 2000s, late 1990s. And we have seen sort of an evolution of the case law now where cases have actually gone to trial. You have decisions against plaintiffs that were perhaps anticipated, but certainly not looked forward to by plaintiffs, which has caused a bit of a shift in the defendants thinking that it's not necessarily a big loss if a case is lost on certification after multiple appeals. There's a lot of writing in the past years with respect to this shifting attitude on the part of defendants that perhaps, there's merit in agreeing to common issues to be tried and just taking the case to trial. There have been some significant decisions in the area of the overtime cases over the past year after 7 or 8 years of litigation. And we look forward to seeing how those play out. It's not going to be by next year. It's likely to be 2 or 3 years down the road. We've also seen the development and really proliferation of class action administrators in the field through our entrance into the market from the United States as well as across Canada, because once you have class actions, there's going to result in a lot of settlements, whether that's pre-certification, post-certification, or on the verge of trial. And then the issue is, well, how do you get the money into the hands of those that deserve the money? And some of these issues have raised various difficulties. I was retained last week on a case where one of our clients is, unbeknownst to itself, found itself as a class member in a large class action that has been certified in part relating to the DRAM litigation. And it has been asked by Ian Binney, who's been retained to provide commentary on the distribution protocol. So we've got a court that is basically certified cases that will result in a distribution of monies. The monies will all go into trust, but rather than the court being asked to bless a distribution protocol that has been put together by defense counsel who are settling, as well as the plaintiffs and perhaps a claims administrator, the actual settlement class members are being looked to provide commentary. So that's a sort of a new area and one that we're likely to see develop further. So we have about 35 speakers over a 2-day program representing defense counsel, plaintiff counsel, judges in the United States, judges in Canada, as well as arbitrators and mediators. And I hope you show up, and I know that you'll benefit from it. Thanks.